Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Monday from Clever Developers. Today we are going to build a single website using HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. So, as I previously told some fellow on the social media platform of what we are going to build, so let's take a look at what we are going to build since we have started our journey on web development. So I'm going to open the index folder for us to see what we are going to build. So this is what we are going to build today. It's just a single website using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. You can see one thing about this website that it has this icon link. Although I didn't use like an icon, I just used text. So it has home, service, testimony. If you click on the service, it will lead you to the service section. Click on the about to lead you to the about. Click on the testimony to lead you to the testimony. The contact to lead you to the contact section. You come back to the home, or you scroll down by yourself. You'll be able to see the way the website is. And if you check, it's very responsive. If you check it on mobile device, you can see that it's very responsive. It's very good the way it is. So if you click on it, it will bring it down. The navbar is a toggler navbar. So this is what we are going to build. I'm glad that you are watching today. So let's get to the business. So what we are going to do is this. We are going to set up our environment. Let's close this one. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop. The folder I'm going to create, I'm going to call it agency website. Agency website. I'll go into the folder and create another folder called website. So I will go into this folder and go to the location and open it with command prompt. So I'm using Visual Studio Code. That's why I'm going through this process. But you can use any text editor of your choice. Any text editor of your choice is allowed. But for me, I prefer using Visual Studio Code because of some predefined tools, some tools that have been built into Visual Studio. And I'm going to be using Live Server, but you can use any other one of your choice. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create an index file. I'll call it index.html. I'm going to create another one for CSS. I'll call it style.css. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an HTML document. Then I will name this as, I'll just name it as a Smart Technology Limited according to what we saw. Smart Technology Limited. That is the title. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to get Bootstrapped. So we are going to Bootstrap website. We'll go to Bootstrap website, get Bootstrapped. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this CSS link. I'll click on copy here. Then I'll go to my header region and paste it, the head section, and paste it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and copy the JavaScript library, which is the jQuery library. I'll click to copy it. I'll go to the head section also and paste it. We're going to use a little bit of Font Awesome. So for that of Font Awesome, sometimes it's somehow difficult to get this Font Awesome CDN link. So I decide I will provide it for you guys. So I decide to have mine. So I will click, I just have mine in my folder, in my notepad. So I will go to the head section also and paste my Font Awesome CDN link. So the next thing I'm going to do is to link my CSS file. So I'll go to this head section also, use link style.css. So we have successfully set up our environment for our web design. So I will see you in the next video.